Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching Hobby to Profession. In my last video, we did unboxing of DJI Tello drone. And as I promised, in today's video, we are going to see that how to configure this drone with your smartphone. We'll talk about DJI Tello official app and we'll also talk about some other apps that you can use to have some additional features in your DJI Tello drone. But before we go ahead, please subscribe to my channel to show your support and to see more interesting videos like this. You can press the bell icon to get the notification of any new video uploaded by me. So let's know something more about DJI Tello. This is the official app of Tello drone, and this is available for Android and iOS both. When you open it for the first time in your device, it asks you to connect to Tello Wi-Fi. Once you are connected to drone's Wi-Fi, your drone will be ready to use. You can see your drone is connected now. The camera is also on. The first button from the left hand side is the takeoff button. It shows a slider to take off the drone. Time to time it shows some warnings and notifications on your screen. The second button from the left is for flight mode. DJI Tello has different flight modes including 8D flips, throw and go, up and away, 360, circle and bounce mode. We'll talk more about them in my future videos. The third button from the right is for the gallery. It shows all the pictures and videos you have captured using your DJI Tello. The second button from the right is camera button. You can tap on it to choose whether you want to click a picture or you want to record a video. The third button from the left is settings. You can see the second option is VR. That means you can record your video in VR mode. You can choose slow or fast speed. You can control your Bluetooth settings and Wi-Fi settings as well. And there are some tutorials for the beginner. So these are all aircraft settings. We have some more settings here. Time to time you can update the software of your drone. It has a wonderful feature that is tech support. Once you click on that, it takes you to the Rise site where you get the technical support through chat. So these are the basic settings of your DJI Tello. Now let's talk about some other apps. Tals app is a very popular app for DJI Tello. It increases the altitude limit of your DJI Tello drone. By default it's 10 meter, but using this application you can go up to 30 meter. There is another way to increase the altitude limit of your DJI Tello, that is using Wi-Fi range extender. I'll talk more about that in my upcoming videos. Now let's watch some video footage of my DJI Tello. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you really liked it, please click the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you have any question, any feedback, please let me know in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel to see more interesting videos like this. I'll meet you again with another interesting video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.